The Intertrader Mobile App puts a full trading and research service in the palm of your hand. Tap the buy or the sell price to bring up a trading ticket. First, decide whether you're placing a market order to trade at the live market price or an entry order to trade if it hits a certain price. Now set the size of your trade, your risk per point movement in the market price. You can attach stop and limit orders to your new position to help cut your losses or take a profit on your live position. Please note, stops aren't guaranteed and may be subject to market gaps and slippage in volatile conditions. Tap here to make your stop order a trailing stop, which will adjust automatically and lock in profits if the market moves in your favour. Finally, tap Submit when you're ready to place your trade. Trade execution is fast and reliable and 100% market neutral. We mirror every trade you make in full in the underlying market, so we never trade against you and never have a conflict of interest. Select a market and choose Edit Chart from the top right menu to bring up a dynamic HTML5 chart. Simply scroll, pinch and zoom to navigate your chart. You can choose from multiple chart styles and intervals, drawing tools, 70 chart studies and 25 chart patterns. Your open positions and orders are marked as lines on your chart. To adjust them, simply tap to activate the line, drag it to the new level, then tap Submit. To deal direct from your chart, tap the bottom right menu and select Place Buy Order. Tap to select your desired entry level, then tap Submit. For trading ideas, simply access buy and sell signals supplied by leading research provider Trading Central direct from your chart. Tap to see the full accompanying technical notes. Stay abreast of market news from multiple sources updated throughout the day. Tap any of the headlines to see the full story. Or use our Economic Calendar by Econoday for facts and figures on data releases that could influence market activity. Our app puts you in control of your trading at all times. Tap Positions on the bottom menu to see a live update of your open positions. Along the bottom of the screen, you'll see your key account performance stats. To remind yourself of trading opportunities, set alerts based on price targets, trend lines or chart studies. First, find a market, then tap the top right menu and select Set Alert. You can customize your alert notification and save complex alert conditions as scripts. Tap the Alerts icon on the bottom menu to see and edit all your alerts. To add funds, open our funding page via the Wallet icon. You can deposit funds exactly as you would on our web-based platform. Finally, you can customize and save your chart and app settings. For example, from the Setup menu, you can change the app's color scheme, modify the look of charts, or change the language used in the app. So how do you get started with mobile trading? First, install the Intertrader app to your iOS or Android device. Then use the form to create a new trading account. Once you receive your login details, simply fund your account and start trading. You now have the power to trade thousands of markets in your pocket. Intertrader, your complete trading service.